Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will look at the remaining multiple choice questions in chapter 24. We're going to resume from 24.13. Suppose list 1 is in, it should be A, my array list, and list 2 is my linked list. Both contains 1 million double values. Analyze the foreign code. So we're going to add this I and this value in this inserted at the beginning. So this is my array list. This is my linked list. So my linked list is going to be more efficient. Next question, suppose list 1 is A, so it should be A, my array list, and list 2 is my linked list. Both contains 1 million double values. Analyze the foreign code. So here we're going to add at the end. This is also at the end. So this is going to code fragment A runs as fast as code fragment B. Suppose list 1 is my array list and list 2 is my linked list. Both contains 1 million double values. So here we're going to get, so this is for my array list. This is also get. So this is not as efficient as this. This is going to be a text out of n time. This is constant time. So here is A, code fragment A is more efficient than code fragment B. Next question, which of the following are true? A stack can be viewed as a special type of list where the elements are accessed, inserted, and deleted only from the end, called the top of the stack, right? A queue represents a waiting list. A queue can be viewed as a special type of list where the elements are inserted into the end, that's the tail of the queue, and are accessed and deleted from the beginning, the head of the queue, that's right. Since the insertion and deletion operation on a stack are met only at the end of the stack, you can use either an array list or a linked list. However, array list has less overhead than linked list, so that's true. Since deletions are met at the beginning of the list, it is more efficient to implement a queue using linked list than using an array list. True. Next question. In the implementation of my stack and my queue, which of the following are true? My stack contains all the methods defined in my array list. No. My queue contains all methods defined. No. My stack contains an array list for storing elements. My queue contains a linked list for storing elements. Next question. Suppose the rule of the party is that the participants who arrive earlier will leave earlier. Which data structure is appropriate to store the participants? And that's the queue. Suppose the rule of the party is that the participants who arrive later will leave earlier. Which data structure is appropriate to store participants? That's going to be a stack. Priority queue. Which data structure is appropriate to store patients in an emergency room? So that's priority queue. Which data structure is appropriate to store customers in a clinic for taking flu shots? And that's the queue. All right, let's check the answers now. All right, so we have one problem here. So let's see which one. here, this one. The interesting. Oh, okay. So this, yeah, we just resubmitted everything. So this one here, we have already looked at this before. This should be the one this right here. So fragment. This is the last question of the previous video. So this remove the last one for my linked list, implemented from the book. It's a one-way linked list. So this takes all of n time. And so that's not efficient. If you use my array list, that's a constant time because this is the last one. So if you use the double linked list, this is going to be as good as the using my array list. That is all for the multiple choice questions in chapter 24. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.